Everybody came up by Mommy and Daddy. Look at this. They want to join in. Mommy's taking care of her big boy. And then we have these three ferocious eaters over here. Everybody worked up an appetite. And of course we know who's in the door. Mr. Little Nut. Yeah. These two love birds. All right, Mommy? Yeah. Good girl. What's going on? Got a glare on my lens. The kitten licked my lens, I think, before. Left a mark. I have to fix that. Yeah, you're the instigator. You walked up and licked it. Yeah, I know. You're getting to be quite the kitty over here. Yeah, little Miss Brave Girl. Yeah. Oh, are you tired now? You take a nap? Yeah, we know it's you because of those eyes. Those pretty eyes. What? What was that? Pretty kitty? Little licker girl. Yeah. Oh, we have company in the form of a sister. You checking things out? Yeah. There's the brother. He says, I had enough food. I want dessert. Yeah. You want some dessert? Mm-hmm. Little girl's still laying here all pretty. Pretty girl. Yeah. We gotta see who licked the camera, huh? Yeah, we can see it. Good girl. Good, Mommy.